Okay, students, we are in the third video lecture of the Unit 4, that is in plastic manufacturing. So in this class, we are going to discuss about various calculation method for the injection molding process, for adjusting the speed and then thickness, etc. Burn mark, black mark. So the problem, that is limitations of using the uh, molding machines, knit lines, inability to melt front back, purl line problem. Delamination, skinning, surface of the finished part separate or appears to be composed. Delamination problem, contamination of the resin by additive and other foreign material. Flow lines and the folds visible. Flow lines and folds problem, stock temperature too low, runner is small, so excessive warpage and shrinkages, excessive diameter change in the pot, black speck, brittleness, tendency of molded pot to break, crack, shatter, and etc. Under this container, brittle problem may occur. Flash, மோகன் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க நான் கூப்பிட்றேன். Defect of the surface, billet problems, screw RPM too high, back pressure to earth creasing, fine crack in a part surface may extend a new network, creasing problem, insufficient drying of the material, contamination, injection temperature too high, cracking may occur, fracture of the plastic material in the area around, parts cool too quickly, molding in stress, wall thickness too heavy compared with the previous one, low glass, surface roughness resulting from high speed fill. So the problem is inadequate polish of mold surfaces, resin excessively moist, screw runner, injection of insufficient material to fill up the mold, short, inadequate injection pressure, inadequate injection speed, insufficient water venting, shorts and girls sprue, and next type is blow molding method. Blow molding is the manufacturing process by which hollow plastics are manufactured. Process of material. Blow molded parts can be formed from a variety of thermoplastic material. Extrusion blow molding, injection blow molding, stretch blow molding. Components in blow molding, we can make use of the parts, and that is bottle items. Basic process, a portion of hot plastic resin in tube-like shape is formed. Extrusion blow molding. In extrusion blow molding, Injection blow molding. Injection means we are blow the air inside the this thing mold cavity. Performance first make advantages of blow molding: well suited for large and high production rate. Mold costs are comparatively. Main disadvantages: products are not limitations. Blow molding applications: milk bottle, pharmaceutical bottle. These are all manufactured with the help of the blow molding process. Next type is the rotational molding. So rotational molding, the by rotating the um, die. Rotational molding is a process used to make hollow plastic parts. Type of machine, current areas, material characteristics, common material applications. Clamshell machine, clamshell machine, a rock and roll machine. So this is one type of the molding machine also. Current area of uses. So ball and the bucket, these are all manufactured with this method. Material characteristic. Advantages of rotational molding is the design flexibility in combining the several parts. Process advantages except for corner. Process disadvantages because of the warpage of the part can occur if the mold is not cooled evenly. The competing process, extrusion and injection blow molding process. Two-sheet thermoforming, competing process. Parts made with the twin sheet. Injection mold, hollow parts can be made with the injection molding, but assembly would be required. Feature development of the LDPE is the most common material in order to for feature development. By pressurizing the mold during the cooling cycle, warpage could be used. Reference rotational molding, stretch blow molding. Stretch blow molding is the process on which stretching is done before blowing. Type of stretch blow molding is injection stretch blow molding, extrusion stretch blow molding. Injection stretch blow, the PET problem performs this injection molded in the first satellite. So any questions can be arised with the topics what we have discussed today. The PET bottles are manufactured with this injection blow molding process. Any questions?